To set up Do Not Disturb mode on POCO M8 5G, first of all, we'll need to open settings on our device. Next step is to scroll down and here select Sound and Vibration. Now go down until you find the Do Not Disturb mode. When you enter it, you'll be able to activate Do Not Disturb. You can also disable it right here. And there's other settings like only when device is locked. If you activate this option and enable your Do Not Disturb mode, it will only work when you lock your phone. Then there's Notify About Calls. You can change which calls will be able to bypass Do Not Disturb mode. Calls from anyone, calls from your contacts only, calls from stirred contacts only, that means your favorite contacts, or none of the contacts. Then there's Notify About Repeated Callers. If somebody tries to call you 2 times in the span of I think 15 minutes, it will if that happens, then the call will go through when this option is enabled. Then last thing is schedule turn on time for Do Not Disturb mode, which will make it enable automatically based on your own rules that you can set up right here. So for example, we can change the sleep time, let's say the sleep mode for our Do Not Disturb mode. Yeah, nice, okay. Sleep. Then we have start time. You can change when the Do Not Disturb mode will toggle automatically. So let's say on 22, and when it should end, let's say at 6. Then we can change when it should repeat. And finally, when we add it, our Do Not Disturb mode should toggle automatically during that rules. And that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching, and if you like this video, please consider subscribing.